The United Kingdom and Denmark have unveiled a groundbreaking development in military support for Ukraine. In a joint statement made in January 2025, both nations announced the delivery of the Gravehawk mobile air defense system. Designed to counter an increasing range of aerial threats, including drones and cruise missiles, this system is set to significantly bolster Ukraine's defensive capabilities. The Gravehawk, introduced in September 2024, underwent extensive operational testing and demonstrated remarkable effectiveness. Impressed by its performance, the UK and Denmark have committed to providing 15 additional units throughout 2025. Mounted on an all-terrain vehicle chassis, the Gravehawk boasts exceptional mobility, allowing it to quickly adapt to changing battlefield conditions. Equipped with cutting-edge infrared-guided missiles like the AIM-132 ASRAAM and the Wympel ARCH-73, it offers an operational range of approximately 15 kilometers. This makes it highly effective against short-range threats, including fast-moving targets such as drones and missiles. Let's take a closer look at its firepower. The AIM-132 ASRAAM, a British-developed missile, is renowned for its speed and precision. Capable of reaching speeds over Mach 3, it's designed to intercept fast-moving threats, even in challenging conditions. Its advanced infrared imaging system ensures accurate target detection, making it indispensable in modern air combat. Meanwhile, the Wympel ARCH-73, originally developed in Russia, has gained global recognition for its exceptional maneuverability. With the ability to engage targets from high angles and sustain lock-on during evasive maneuvers, this missile is a versatile tool for Ukraine's defense forces. What sets the Gravehawk apart is its seamless integration with Ukraine's existing military systems. Utilizing missiles already in Ukraine's arsenal like the ARCH-73 allows for rapid deployment and immediate operational effectiveness. This strategic partnership between the UK, Denmark, and Ukraine underscores a shared commitment to countering escalating threats in the region. As air attacks become increasingly sophisticated, the Gravehawk's combination of mobility, precision, and advanced technology positions it as a crucial element of Ukraine's defense strategy. Stay tuned as this collaboration unfolds, bringing new hope and strength to Ukraine's efforts to safeguard its skies.